What is it? You want to open it? It's from Aunt Jonna. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness. There's lots of pink things in it. What is it? Oh my goodness.
I can break them apart. What is it okay if I break these apart?
Oh my goodness. What did Jonna give us? What did Jonna give Nico and Karina? Oh, did she give you lots of pink styrofoam peanuts?
Yeah.
What else did she?
Let's take a peanut bath.
What do you, a peanut bath?
Yeah, let's take a bath in here.
Well, I think there might be more in there, you guys. Just, what if you dug all those peanuts out? Just took them right out. There you go.
Hey, Mama, I feel something in them.
You do?
Yeah.
What's in there? Corduroy. Yeah. Come on, right onto the floor.
Mama, this is it. This is it.
Can you pull it out?
I can't. You can.
Oh, you want me to pull it out? Oh my goodness, it's so big.
It's not a present.
It's a present. What do you think this present's for?
I think it's for me and baby.
It's for you and baby? And why do you think Aunt Jonna got you a present?
Why did they got me both presents?
Oh,
A tiger.
oh, that's Tigger.
Yeah.
I wonder who that one's for. Maybe there's a card in it that we should be reading.
Ooh.
It's Winnie the Pooh and Tigger.
Tiger.
What song does Tigger sing?
I don't know.
Oh, the wonderful thing about Tiggers.
Tiger.
Should we look for a card you got? And look what she gave you. It's the Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. We can read Winnie the Pooh now.
Yeah. What's that?
And what is it? Should we read the card?
Tiger. This is tiger.
Oh my goodness. And a bag? Let's read the card, everybody. Don't eat those. That's not food. Where's the Winnie the Pooh? Which one is for her and which one is for you?
This one is for me. That's for her.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see what Aunt Jonna says about that. Can you see what Aunt Jonna says about that? All right, everybody, let's see what Aunt Jonna says. She says, oh, Woodstock says, "Dear Nico and Corey, we love you." So she doesn't say which one is for who. I guess that means you get to choose which one you want.
I think I want this one.
All right. Hey, Corduroy, do you want this one?
I want the tiger.
Yeah.
Oh, these guys are going to take a bath.
Wait, maybe Corduroy should go in the box.
Or we can take a bath with these guys.
You think so? Can you get in that box?
Yeah.
Oh, can we say thank you, Aunt Jonna?
Whoa, I'm taking a bath.
Hey, Nico, look at the camera.
I'm taking a bath.
Look at the camera. Nico, say thank you, Aunt Jonna.
Thank you, Aunt Jonna.
Look at me. Say thank you, Aunt Jonna.
Thank you, Aunt Jonna.
Thank you, Uncle Ron.
Thank you, Uncle Ron.
Thank you, everybody else.
Thank you, everybody else.
Even though really just Aunt Jonna.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's blow kisses.
Mwah. Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah.